going to show you around the Woodpecker. So, first up, we've got the bunk bed for the kids to sleep. Very comfortable, 10 out of 10. A little lounge area where you can lounge around, very relaxed and very good in here. Door, eating kitchen table. TV, well DVD TV, where you've got like 1,000 DVDs. And then we come in to the amazing kitchen, where we have a microwave, a toaster, cooking board, kettle, radio, stove, blah blah blah. Radio. And we come over here, we've got the master bed with the master views. You get the amazing sunsets and sunrises.
Sunrises here.
Amazing. Anyway.
You get incredible moon views out here.
And here's the beer room. You can do your business. Wash your hands and stuff after you've done your business. An amazing shower. Very spacious. Look. Very spacious.
What do you like best about this cabin?
The hot tub we've got out there.
It is a wonderful hot tub.
Yeah, it's very amazing.
Steaming.
Bye, besties!